during the last quarter of 2020, nagkaroon ng bull run yung mga banks. Ito, check na, oh my God, ang taas pala, 50%. Hey everyone, topic natin for today ay top 4 dividend-paying stocks for the month of April. And we will discuss them based on ascending ex-dividend date. I'm aware na maraming companies na nagpo-fall under April yung ex-dividend date nila, pero hindi natin i-discuss lahat yun. I think merong 10 or around that number, pero 4 lang yung i-discuss natin kasi ito yung mga company na naintindihan natin at makakapagbigay tayo ng insights about it. Disclaimer lang din pala na hindi to stock recommendations. Make sure to do your own due diligence and do your own research. Kasi yung mga strategies ko, malamang sa malamang hindi yan gagana sa strategy nyo and vice versa. Kaya this discussion is just for educational purposes and giving out information. So without further ado, let's start. So for our first stock, it's gonna be SCC or Semirara Mining and Power Corporation. Part siya ng mining and oil industry. Current price is at 13.58 pesos. And naglagay din ako dito ng support and resistance, pero we'll talk about that later. Dividend payout is 1.25 pesos, which gives us 9.2%. So medyo mataas, no? Anything above 6, 7, 8, considered na yan as big baggers in terms of dividend yields. And lagyan natin ng konting technical analysis. So, pre-COVID price niya is around here, mga 19-20 pesos. So, medyo malaki pa yung upside niya. Kasi 13 pa lang. So, if you're an investor, this looks like a good stock for you. Pero for trading, mukhang sideways pa siya since kailan ba siya nag-breakout? November 24. Around first week of December nag-breakout siya dito. Tapos ang haba ng swing from December to March. So that's 3 months. 3 to 4 months yung swing. Yeah, so that's SCC. Ang pros niya is mataas yung dividend yield, and kung investor ka, mukhang mataas pa yung upside niya in terms of getting back to the pre-COVID price, which is at around 20 or 19 pesos. Cons naman, if hindi ka fan ng mining industry and mas gusto mo yung green energy, green as in not the stock, but fan ka ng renewable energy, this stock may not be for you. Okay, second stock is DMC with ex-dividend date on April 12. So that's 2 Mondays from now. Excuse me. Yep. Current price is 5.55 pesos. And then cash dividend is 0.13. Dalawa yung declaration niya. 0.13 plus 0.35. Subtotal is 0.48 pesos, and then dividing that by the current price, that gives us 8.6% dividend. So mataas din. Pro, yun na nga, mataas yung yield niya. That's one of the pros. Second, it is a blue chip company. So what that tells us is, in terms of surviving these challenging times, which is the pandemic, mataas yung chance na makaka-survive siya and makaka-recover. And then going over to the cons naman, it is already at the pre-COVID level kasi if you look at the first quarter of 2020, yung price niya is nandito. So parang halos ganyan na rin yung price niya. So wala ka na makikitang upside kung ang strategy mo is bibili ka ng stock tapos hintayin mo siyang bumalik sa pre-COVID price. Kasi nga si DMC nandito na sa 5 to 6 level. So expect this stock to trade sideways. Yun na lang yung siguro yung consolation mo. If you're a trader, The swing schedule, no, not schedule, swing duration was December 2020 until March then. So 2 to 3 months. Ito yung swing niya, support niya is around 5 pesos, just above 5 pesos. So kung nakabili ka dito no March 19, ito na yung lowest RSI niya. And then you should be looking to sell it at around 6 pesos pag na-hit niya yung overbought level in terms of RSI. Dapat magbebenta ka na doon. Alright, third stock natin is Security Bank. Ex-date niya is April 13, so 2 weeks from now. Tama ba? Yep. Tuesday. And current price is 121 pesos. Dividend yield, cash dividend is 1.5 pesos, which gives us a dividend yield of 1.2%. Mababa, no? So bakit ganito kababa? Tapos sinama ko siya sa discussion natin for top 4. Simple lang kasi para sa akin, matagal na akong fan ng Security Bank. It's been bagging awards year after year. I think it was Best Digital Bank for 2 years in a row. Kaya matagal na akong nag-iipon ng Security Bank. So naging opportunity yung pandemic para makapag-add pa ako ng more shares in SecB. Okay, so pros niya. Banking and finance sector is the backbone of the Philippine economy. So kapag umakyat lahat ng pag nagsimulang mag-recover yung Pilipinas, nang umakyat, maka-recover yung mga banking. Pero don't quote me on that kasi nga strategy ko will only work for me. It will not work. It may or may not work for you. And another pro is malaki pa yung upside niya pagbalik in terms of pagbalik sa pre-COVID level. Check natin March 2020. Ito no, bago siya nagsimulang mag-crash around this price, 150 pesos. So I'm still looking at around 20-22% upside para lang makabalik siya sa pre-COVID level. We don't know how long it will take for that to happen, pero yun, this is an investment for me. I will not trade SecB. I will invest on it. Cons naman, short-term bear siya. Kasi as you can see, during the last quarter of 2020, nagkaroon ng bull run yung mga banks. Ito, check na, oh my God, ang taas pala, 50%. So, sinwerte ako na makasama dito sa bull run na to. Pero hindi ako nagbenta at this price kasi hindi niya na-meet yung sell signals ko. I think dito ako nagbenta. Pero ayun, I will add more to Security Bank when it hits my buy signals again. Okay, last but not the least, definitely not the least kasi ito yung pinakamataas na dividend yield. Pero I'm getting ahead of myself. GMA7, ex-dividend date is ex-dividend date is April 19, cash dividend is 1.35 pesos. And dividing that by the current price, 8.7, that gives us a whopping dividend yield of 15.5%. That's the highest dividend yield for 2021 so far. Pero I think wala ring umabot ng kanya kataas last year. So, pro for GMA7 is pwede mong ipagyabangin kung anong klaseng dividend yield. Pero, if you're that kind of person that posts profits in social media, that's fine. You can do whatever you want. You can consider that as a pro. Ang con naman nito is potential dividend trap. Kasi parang yun nangyari sa Metrobank last month. Last month ba yun? Yep. So, umakyat yung price. Nag-gap up yung price ng Metrobank. Actually, check natin. Ito. Ex-dividend date niya is March 2. So, nag-gap up siya nung in-announce dito. Tapos, after dividend date, ex-date, nag-gap down naman siya. So, yung mga bumili during this schedule, during these days, malamang sa malamang malaki yung nakuha nilang dividend. Pero, ayun, trap pa rin sila kasi mas malaki yung downside. Mas malaki yung na-loss nila. So, ipit talaga. Anyway, going back to GMA7. Yan. Siguro nagtataka kayo kung paano ko na plot yung support and resistance level. I had to go back to 2014, 2013, more than 10 years, around 10 years ago. So, dito ko nakita yung mga support levels. Ayan, support dito, resistance dito, another resistance, and next resistance. So, balik tayo sa current year. Grabe yung gap up nito. So, konting technical analysis. The RSI is not helpful at all kasi ilang araw siya nagstay sa overbought levels. So, masyadong mataas yung momentum. Tapos, if you want to trade in this tight area, you can do that. Siguro, bili ka sa support. 8%, 7%. Sige, kung masaya ka dyan, kung kaya may trade yan, siguro you will need a lot of capital to be able to make some profits. Significant profits from this. Caution ko lang kayo na hindi lahat ng mataas ang dividend kailangan yung bilhin. Kasi maraming dividend traps. Ako personally, nung nalaman ko na ganito kataas yung dividend ng GMA7, hindi ko hinangad na kunin, na bilhin yung GMA7. Kasi takot talaga ako. It's not part of my strategy, but if your strategy is to buy high-paying dividend stocks, this might work for you. Pwede ka pang bumili kasi April 19 pa nga ang ex-date niya. So 3 Mondays from now pa. Ayun. So, good luck, GMA7. Alright, so thank you guys for listening. I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo kahit konti. If you're going to take something out of this video, I want it to be 2 things. First, hindi lahat ng sobrang taas na dividend kailangan yung bilhin kasi possible dividend trap yan. And second, hindi rin naman lahat ng sobrang babang dividend yield ay kailangan nyo nang i-ignore or itsipurahin. Kasi possible naman na good investments yan. Pagbalik natin sa pre-COVID levels, makakabalik din yung mga investments na yan at mabibigyan kayo ng good profits. Make sure to like and subscribe kung nagustuhan nyo ang content para makagawa din ako ng other content in the future. Thank you! Bye-bye!